DoctorX listing is just a few days away from here, so it's very obvious that you'll be needing gas fee for your transaction to be smooth and easy. And the gas fee you actually need is less than $1. So in this video, I'll be guiding you on how to get your gas fee low as $1. So welcome everyone to DoctorX. If this is your first time coming across my channel, do well to like and subscribe to the channel. And more importantly, make sure you join my Telegram channel. There are a lot of opportunities you're actually missing because you're not getting the information you needed on time, or probably you're getting those information very late. So link in the description and comment section of this video. And for you to get your gas fee, gas you're getting is EGLD. So we're going to be using Gate.io. If you want to transfer your DoctorX from exporter, or if you want to trade it on exporter, you will still need a gas fee. So let's go to our Gate.io to get started. So when you come to your Gate.io account, you need to actually convert your USDT to EGLD. So for you to do that, you need to search for EGLD, or you come to trade. You can see trade down below. So just tap on trade, then you come to the top corner here. So when you come to the top corner there, you search for EGLD. So you're going to see here, you can see EGLD/USDT. So we're going to select that. So then the next thing you need to do is to come here. So you're going to change it from limit to smart market. Smart market means you are selling at the market price. So then when you are done with that, then you come here, you just put $1, or you put let's say 1.1 or 1.2. So let's put 1.2. Then the next thing you click on what? Buy. And before you click on buy, you have to make sure you are selecting buy option here. You know, buy, sell. So you are using buy option. Then you click on what? Buy. So you are done with the purchase. The next thing you need to do is to copy your wallet address, EGLD wallet address from exporter. So for you to copy your wallet address from EGLD, all you need to do is to come to your exporter, then click on receive. So from receive, you select EGLD. Then here we go, you select your wallet address. So this is the wallet address. You're going to copy it. Then you go back to Gate.io to make the transfer. So we come to our Gate.io, then we proceed to assets. So let's go to assets. Then from assets, you click on withdraw. So when you click on withdraw, you have to select the coin you want to transfer, which is EGLD. You search here, EGLD. You can see, here we go. Then we select on-chain withdrawal. Then the address, the wallet address we copy from from exporter, you paste it here. You can see the network is EGLD. Then here you can see the minimum. So then we enter the amount we are sending. So we are sending 0.025. That's around $1. Then when you are done with that, then click on withdraw. Before you click on withdraw, you cross check what you have actually done to make sure you are doing everything right. So as soon as you are certain, you click on withdraw. You verify the details, then boom, you click on confirm, and boom. So after like 5 minutes or thereabout, your EGLD will be credited to your exporter account. As quick and easy. So do what to like, subscribe to the channel, and more importantly, make sure you join my Telegram channel. You will love it. See you next time for more exciting updates.